Magda, with your tricks I will be more confident. Thank you very much.
So I have three biggest takeaway from both 2 days. First, we have absolutely amazing team who has demonstrated all their talents, all their inspiration, all their great stories, which really was touching the heart. Second, I met a beautiful, smart, inspiring lady, Magda, who is holding the camera. And the third, we learned about triada and many other tips to create your public speaking more efficient. Thank you.
I took a lot of things from that 2 days, but please remember, we need to train.
I love the idea of the speaker's diary. Thank you.
So from those 2 days of the training, I'm taking away the updated version of the presentation skills that I learned in the past, some comments, the posture, on the vocabulary, on the structure of the presentations that I will be doing. And I'm always saying every comment is advice free of charge. So it was a great 2 days.
As a takeaway, even now expectations from this workshop, I have learned a lot. I have understand how to work with the introduction, how to build up the content, but nevertheless, not only what should I say, but not to say. Not only how to say, but how to behave during the presentation. So I'm leaving this workshop with much more confidence that I didn't have before. Thank you.
My goal was like to be more confident, lose the nervosity, not be that nervous when presenting, to learn something about body language. So that's what I'm taking with me now after this course.
Be stuck in the routine.
First of all, I wanted to say thank you, and what I really learned is the power of storytelling. So especially having small details and focus the audience really on how your experience changed your way of thinking, living, influencing others.
For me, it was most important thing is not to be afraid of trying new things, because if I will not try new things, I won't be able to become better and to impress the audience.
Magda, I would like to thank you because I feel that I really improved my communication skills during these 2 days. It's really highly appreciated. Thank you.
Wanted to know something more about the body language, but I received much more, so I'm grateful for it. For example, about the intonation tips were really great, so I really appreciate it. Thank you.
Thanks a lot for sharing a formula how to deliver a great speech. And thanks for being an inspiration to all of us. Thanks a lot.
So the training confirmed again that to prepare well and do a practice means the success.
My goal for attending this training was to become more confident and to become more effective speaker, to learn new tools that I can really reach out to the audience and to convey the message.
I promise I will always empty my pockets before I enter the audience.
The last 2 days were so great. I couldn't even imagine that it will be like this. And I wanted to say thank you to Magda. And because I think that we really don't have an idea how it will look like in the future for us. And I think that it will also be great. Thanks.